Okay. Dan here from FFX. I'm with Chris at Bosch HQ, and we're talking about the 18-volt Bosch professional range today. Now, whether you're on site or at home doing a project, the addition of sounds is always welcome. So if you could tell us, Chris, a little bit more about this radio.
Well, this is one of our 18-volt professional radios. This is the GPB 18V-2SC. This is our first DAB Plus radio. It's 18-volt, running on any of our 18-volt batteries, all the way up to the 8 amp hour Pro Core if you really wanted to have a lot of runtime. But trust me, you don't need a lot of amps to run one of these machines. It's also connected, so it's a Bluetooth device, so you can synchronize this with your smartphone, for example, to play music through that. But as I said, it's DAB, it's got FM, it's got an auxiliary cable, so you can plug in any 3.5mm device via the plug at the back, and also Bluetooth. It's got 2 times 7.5 watts, so a total wattage or total volume of 15 watts.
Excellent, and not only powerful, but looks sturdy.
Yeah, it is. It's obviously built to a high standard. It's IP54, which basically means it's, for the most part, dust-proof, and it can withstand the average, UK shower that we get here. It's also got the addition of a handy carrying hook on the side here. It doesn't fit onto the L-box system that we've got, but it's because it's got the rafter hook or the ladder hook. You can just hook that on, no problem, travel around.
Excellent stuff. You can pick yours up today at ffx.co.uk.